Hello, Susie.
Hi, Bill.
How have you been?
I don't know. I guess I've been kind of tired.
Well, that's great. Want to go to a movie?
No,
Like, why not?
I'm lesbian.
Really?
Yeah.
Like, seriously?
No.
Well, so you're gonna go?
No.
Why not?
You're gay.
What? What makes you think that?
Well, I saw you kissing a guy the other day.
Well, why would you? Oh yeah. Well, I guess that. I hate you. I'm gonna punch you in the face. Susie, I miss you so much. I'm sorry that you saw me like that. Susie, you're yours forever. La la la.
I'm back, gay Bill. I mean Bill.
Well, did you hear me or something?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
No, it's probably the worst thing I've heard in my entire life.
Oh, well, I'm not actually gay.
Yeah, sure you aren't.
Well, do you want to go to that movie anyway? It's like,
No, I'm actually lesbian.
Susie, I miss you so much. I'm sorry that you saw me like that. Susie. Hey, Susie. Hello, Susie.
Hi, Bill.
How you doing?
I don't know. I'm so tired.
No, Emma. Fabulous.